Good afternoon, students. In the last lecture, we have started with the topic surface area and volume. In that topic, we had completed exercise 16.1 and 16.2. We had completed question number 1. Only one we had completed. In question number 1, there was 5 sums. So here we will start with the question number 2. So in this exercise, we will be learning about the formula curved surface area and total surface area. Already I had explained you in the last lecture. Again we will repeat just the formula of curved surface area of a cylinder formula is 2 pi RH and total surface area of a cylinder formula is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. This was the two formula. Based on these two formulas we are going to solve exercise 16.2. Now here question number 2. Find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum if its diameter is given to you. Diameter is given to you 50 centimeter and height is given to you 45 centimeter. With the help of diameter, we will find the radius. Radius is equal to, that is 50 upon 2. You will get 25 centimeter is your radius and height is given to you 45 centimeter. We have to find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum. Total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum. The formula to find total surface area is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. That is 2 into, here in this question the value of pi is already given to you. So whatever the value of pi is given in the textbook, that only value we have to use. So here we will use 3.14. The pi value already is given in the textbook. The same value we have to use. Previously we were using 22 upon 7. But here the value of pi we are using here 3.14. Into radius. Radius is how much? 25. 25 plus height is given to 45. That is 2 into 3.14 into 25 into, when you add this you are going to get 70. How much you are going to get? 70. Just you have to multiply all the things. 2 into 3.14 into 25 into 70. You are going to get the answer. By multiplication calculation part, I think so you can do. By multiplying, just writing the answer 10,990 is the total surface area, that means it's a square centimeter. Whenever the word area comes, unit will be square centimeter. I hope all of you understood this sum. So the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum, how much you got? 10,990 square centimeter. This was the sum number 2. I hope all of you understood the sum number 2. Okay, sum number 3. Find the area of a base and radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. Here we have to find the base area and as well as the radius. Two things we have to find here. What is given here? In the third question, curved surface area is given here. So surface area. Curved surface area of a cylinder is given here, that is 660 square centimeter and height is given to you. Height is given to you 21 centimeter. With this information, curved surface area and height, we can easily find the radius. So first we have to find the radius. So curved surface area. What is the formula to find the curved surface area of a cylinder? The formula is 2 pi RH. What is the formula? 2 pi RH. Curved surface area is given to you 660 is equal to 2 into pi value 22 upon 7. Here it is not mentioned that you have to use 3.14. So I am here pi value I am using, what I am using here? 22 upon 7. Radius we have to find and the height is given to you 21. Height how much is given to you? 21. Now the calculation part. Now we can cancel 7 1s are 7 3s are Now we have to find the value of r, that is 616. This 2, 22 and 3 will come down. 2 into 22 into 3. Now the calculation part here. 22 ones are, 22 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 tens are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are. That means the radius you got 5 centimeter. How much you got the radius? 5 centimeter. Now one more thing in this ask. What you have to find? Area, base area. Always remember that the cylindrical part, the base area is in the form of circle. It is in the form of circle. And area of a circle we had already learned. The formula to find the area of a circle is pi r square. What is the formula? To find the area of a circle, pi r square. So your base area, the base area means area of a circle, that is pi r square. What is the formula? Pi r square. Pi is the value 22 upon 7 and the radius is how much we got? 5 centimeter. That is 5 into 5. So thus you have to multiply all the terms and you have to divide by 7. When you multiply and divide, the final answer you are just writing here, that is 78.57 square centimeter. This calculation part I think so you can do. You have to multiply 22 into 5 into 5 and whatever the answer comes you have to divide by 7. The answer you are going to get 78.57 square centimeter. I hope all of you understood this is the sum number 3. In this sum, first you have to find the radius and then you have to find the base area. Clear everyone? Okay, we'll start with the question number 4. So I'm reading the question. Find the area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side. That means to lead in here, this is open from one side and whose diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. There are two questions are asked in this sum. The first we will solve what is the area required to make a cylindrical container. What is given here? Diameter of a container is given here. Diameter of a container. The diameter is given to you 28 centimeter. We will find the radius. Radius we are taking as r, that is 28 upon 2, that is 14 centimeter. I hope all of you understood here. Diameter so we had find the radius. Height is given to you. Height is given to 20 centimeter. Is that clear? Now we have to what we have to find in this area of the sheet. Area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container. Is equal to area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container. You can understand by the curves. You have to find your curve surface area and the base area. The base area of curve surface area formula is 2 pi rh and the base area is pi r square. So your curve surface area of cylinder, curve surface area plus base area. Curve surface area formula is 2 pi rh plus base area is pi r square. So from this what we can take out common? Pi r we can take out common. Pi r we are taking common. So what is left? 2h plus here r. Now we will substitute the value. Your pi value we are going to get 22 upon 7. Radius is 40. 2 into h. H is how much? 20. Plus radius is 40. I hope all of you understood here. Just I have substituted the value. Height is 20 and the radius is 40. And the pi value we are taken 22 upon 7. Now cancellation 7 ones are, 7 twos are. That is 2 into 2 into. Now how much you are going to get? 2 20s are 40 plus 40. So here we will multiply. I am writing that's it. That is 2 into 22 into 40 plus 14. 40 plus 14 is how much? 54. We will multiply all the terms. So your answer you are going to get 2376. 2376 square centimeter. That means the area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container is how much? 2376 square centimeter. I hope all of you understood. This is only the half part. In this, one more part is asked. Just I am reading the question. We have to find the approximate area of the sheet required to make a lead, that is called that is lead of height 2 centimeter for this container. Okay, just I am reading again the question number that 4 second part. What we have to find? We have to find the approximate area of the sheet required to make a lead of height 2 centimeter for this container. That means approximate area required in this also curved surface area plus base area. That means curved surface area formula is what? 2 pi RH and the base area is pi r square. What we can take out common? We can take out pi r common. What will be left? 2h plus r. Pi value 22/7. The radius is same what we have taken for the cylindrical container. That will be same. Only the height will change. Here the height of the lead is given to you 2 centimeter. What the height is given to you? 2 centimeter. So we will take here 2. And the radius is same 14 centimeter. I hope all of you understood it here. 7 1 7 2 that is 22 into 2. 2 2 4 plus 40. That is 22 into 2 into 18. Multiply 22 to the 44. 44 into 18. You will get 792. 792 square centimeter. This is the area. Approximate area of the sheet required to make a lead is how much? 792 square centimeter. I hope all of you understood this exercise, this sum, and that means we have completed this exercise. Now we will move on the next exercise. Okay, students, we will start with exercise 16.3. In this exercise is based on the volume of a cylinder. Volume means whatever the space inside the drum, that is called volume. Is it clear? To find the volume of a cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. What is the formula? Pi r square h. This is the third formula of the cylinder we are studying. We had learned two formulas already in the previous exercise, that is 16.2, and in 16.3 we have to find. This exercise is based on the volume of a cylinder. The formula to find the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. In exercise 16.3, question number 1, there are total 4 sums are there. So from that I will be solving 2 sums. And 2 sums you will be practicing. Is it clear? So first sum I am studying. The radius is given to you. Radius they are written in a short r. That is 10.5 centimeter. Height is given to you 8 centimeter. We have to find volume of a cylinder. The formula to find volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. The value of pi 22/7. Radius is given to you 10.5 square, that is 10.5 into 10.5, and the height is given to you 8. How much the height is given to you? 8. Now cancellation part. 7 1s are 1.5. Now we have to multiply 22 into 1.5 into 10.5 into 8. You will get the answer 2772 square, not square because the volume has come, is a cubic centimeter. What is the volume unit will be? Cubic centimeter. When the word volume comes, the unit will be cubic. When the word area comes, the unit will be square centimeter. Is it clear to everyone? This you have to multiply 22 into 1.5 into 10.5 into 8. You are going to get the answer 2772 cubic centimeter. I hope all of you understood the first one. Okay, second sir, the radius is given to you 2.5 meter and height is given to you 7 meter. The radius is given to you 2.5 meter and height is given to you 7 meter. Volume of a cylinder pi r square h, pi value 22 upon 7. Radius is given to 2.5 into 2.5 and the height is given to you 7. 7 get cancelled. Just multiply 22 into 2.5 into 2.5. You are going to get the answer. You will get the answer 137.5 cubic meter. This was the sum number 2. I hope all of you understood the second sum. Okay, sum number 3. The radius is given to you 4.2 centimeter and the height is given to you 5 centimeter. We have to find volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder formula again pi r square h. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. The radius is given to you 4.2 into 4.2 and the height is given to you 5. I hope all of you understood here. Now the cancellation. 7 ones are 7 6 are. After one decimal you have to put a point because your point is there. So your 22 into 0.6 into 4.2 into 5. You have to multiply all the terms and you will get the answer. You have to get the answer, students. Just do the calculation, students. 22 into 0.6 into 4.2 into 5. You will get answer 277.2 cubic centimeter. I hope all of you understood this sum. The answer volume of a cylinder, the answer is 277.2 cubic centimeter. Students, in question number 4, question number 1, there was 4 sums. We had done 3 sums. So one sum at least you can practice. It's a single sum only. Now we will move on the question number 2. Is it clear? So here what is given in question number 2? How much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter length means the height and the diameter is given to 1.4 centimeter. So your diameter you have to find how much iron is needed. How much iron is needed? The volume you have to find. What you have to find? Volume. So diameter is given to you. Diameter of a rod. Diameter of a rod is given to you 1.4 centimeter. That means radius is equal to radius 1.4 upon 2, that is 0.7 centimeter. 0.7. Radius and height. Length means height. Height is given to you 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. You have to find the volume of the iron rod. You have to find the volume of the iron. Volume of a iron rod is equal to the volume of a cylinder formula already you know, that is pi r square h. Pi value you are going to take 22 upon 7. The radius is given to you 0.7 into 0.7 and the height is given to you 90. I hope all of you understood here. This 7 and 7 gets cancelled, you will get 0.1, that is 22 into 0.1 into 0.7 into 90. You will multiply all the terms. The answer you are going to get 138.6 cubic centimeter. I hope all of you understood this is the second sum. Okay, here question number 3. How much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter and the depth is 0.7 meter? How much water is asked in this question? That means we have to find the volume in this sum also. The diameter of the tank is given to you. Diameter of tank is equal to 1.6 meter. The diameter, so we will find the radius. Radius is 1.6 upon 2, that is 0.8 meter. Radius is 0.8 meter. height, depth means height. Height is given to you 0.7 meter. We have to find how much water will the tank hold. That means we have to find the volume of the tank. What will find? Volume of the tank. The volume of a cylinder formula is pi r square h. What is the formula? Pi r square h. The value of pi is 22/7. Radius is 0.8 into 0.8 into height is given to you 0.7. The 7 and 7 get cancelled, 0.1. Just multiply 22 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.1. We are going to get the answer 1.408 meter cubic meter or meter cube, anything you get it, cubic meter. Now this cubic meter we have to convert into liter. To convert a cubic meter to a liter, we have to multiply by 1000. We have to multiply by 1000. So here 1.408 into 1000. This 3 zeros will remove the point. That means you will get answer 1408 liters of water it can hold. The tank can hold. This is writing the final answer here. What is the final answer you will write here? The final answer, tank can hold 1408 liters of water. This is the final answer. I hope all of you understood this is sum number 3. Okay, question number 4. Find the volume of a cylinder. If the circumference of a cylinder is 132 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter, we have to find the volume of a cylinder. Circumference is given to you. From the circumference we will find the radius, and once we get the radius and height is already given to you, then only we can find the volume. I hope all of you understood. So your circumference of a cylinder, we will start with circumference of the cylinder. The circumference of the cylinder is given to you 132 centimeter. Height is given to you. Height is given to you 25 centimeter. Height of is given to you 25 centimeter. We had already learned the formula from the circumference of a cylinder. The circumference formula is 2 pi r. What is the formula? 2 pi r. From that formula we will find the radius. That is circumference of the cylinder. That is 2 pi r. Circumference is given to 132, 2 into 22/7, and the radius we have to find. This 7 will go up and 2 and 22 will come down. That is radius is equal to 132 into 7, 2 into 22. Now the cancellation part. 22 ones are 22 6s are 2 ones are 2 3s are 3 7s are is how much? That means radius we got 21 centimeter. We got the radius. Now we have to find the volume of the cylinder. What do you have to find now? Volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Pi value 22/7. Radius is we got, how much the radius we got? 21 centimeter. That is 21 into 21, and the height is given to you 25 centimeter. I hope all of you understood it here. 7 ones are 7 3s are. Now 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. Multiply all the terms. We'll get 34,650 cubic centimeter. I hope all of you understood this sum. Students, here we had completed this. This was the last sum of the chapter. We had completed this chapter. In the next period, we will continue with the new topic. I hope all of you understood this topic. You have to go through the formulas properly. We have learned in this chapter about the cube, cuboid, and the cylinder part. Is it clear? In cylinder